Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Park on level ground and engage the parking brake before you start working. Leave the engine cool for at least 10 minutes so plastic parts are safe to touch. Open the hood and use a flashlight to inspect the headlight area. Use a 10 mm socket, flathead screwdriver, and replacement H11 bulb for this procedure. Wear gloves to avoid skin oil on the new bulb. Disconnect the negative battery terminal with a 10 mm wrench to prevent shorts and accidental ignition. Then set tools within reach. Remove the plastic cover behind the headlamp assembly by releasing 2 clips and then unfastening any zip ties. Set the cover aside. Remove the plastic cover and the headlamp retaining clip with a flathead screwdriver, then carefully pull the retaining clip out. Unplug the electrical connector by pressing the tab and pulling straight back to avoid wire damage and inspect the connector for corrosion. Twist the bulb socket counterclockwise with firm pressure and remove the old H11 bulb from the housing, handling the bulb by the base and not the glass. Install the new H11 bulb by aligning the tabs with the housing slots and twisting clockwise until it seats firmly. Ensure the rubber boot is properly seated to maintain a weather seal. Reconnect the electrical connector and the negative battery terminal with a 10 mm wrench, then secure any retaining clip you removed and reattach the plastic cover. Test the headlight by turning on low and high beams and inspect beam alignment. Aim the headlight if the pattern is off. Then close the hood and dispose of the old bulb, properly according to local rules.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.